We're here at Dawes Glacier in Alaska. You might notice the way any given ice cube floats in the water, about 90% of the ice is actually under the water, and only about 10% of it is the amount that you see above the water. So these massive pieces of ice that fell off the glacier, and you see so much of it on the surface here, but 90% of that iceberg is actually underwater. This glacier is about a mile wide in the distance. And here in the foreground, a massive piece of ice that we saw pop up. This was a shooter. It's called a shooter because it actually was from the bottom of the glacier. A lot of the glacier is underwater. It goes tens of feet underwater, maybe hundreds of feet. And this piece of ice broke off from the bottom of the glacier under the water and shot up. And a bunch of water from the ocean water here in Tracy Arm. This is ocean water. All the water kind of washed off the top of it. And the shape and color of the ice is unlike anything I've ever seen. It's just amazing. It's super dense snow that fell 400 or 500 years ago and compacted and compacted and compacted in the glacier and sort of flowed down this valley, slowly flowing ice, until eventually this piece broke off, like pieces are breaking off all day long here. And this is one we actually got to see break off. Check out the color of the ice and imagine the size of that iceberg, which is actually 90% underwater.